Hello guys, I'm Taricka and welcome back to my channel. I hope you've been keeping up with my Glam Up with Me series of makeup videos. So this one is kind of a follow-up. If you've seen the 6-minute makeup tutorial, I use a lot of brushes in that, and a few of my friends asked me what brushes was I exactly using. So I want to make this video especially talking about all the different kind of makeup brushes and the essential ones, to be honest, and the ones that I use, the ones that are my favorite, the ones that you need, and the ones that can be avoided. So let's get started. Okay, so before I get started, a lot of my friends asked me about these pretty brushes that I've been using. So a huge shout out to my Glam. This was these brushes I got from my Glam. One of my best friends gifted it to me, and this is such a cute little thoughtful gift. I love how pretty the brushes look, so I've almost like put all my brushes in there, and this is gonna become like my brush box. Okay, the first essential makeup brushes that I'm going to talk to you about are the foundation brushes. Now I use, if you saw me, this is the one that I use. I don't know why the bristles like fanning out, but anyway, this is the one that I use to apply my foundation. This one I got from MAC. This is a very good brush. It's like almost it's like you paint your face with the foundation. It's that kind of a thing. And the second one, if you ask me the secret to a flawless, smooth looking foundation, it is this stippling brush. Like, this is such an essential. But if you're just getting started with makeup and if you do not want to like splurge too much, I think you can just invest in like one good foundation brush. That is enough to get just started with. So this is the one that I apply my foundation with. This is the one that I do all the spreading around with. Now the second one, this brush, I got it from the US. I don't really remember what company this was. Okay, this two-sided brush is kind of like easily available in a lot of stores right now. So this part of it, I use it to apply my concealer on my under eye and like all my area that has a few acne scars and stuff. You can like dab on a lot of product with this brush. This is my concealer brush. And the other side of it is the contour brush. It is like an angle brush. So this one is used for contouring. Now, to be really honest with you, I also use this at times to apply my blush on, like give it a nice angle look. If you saw my video wherein I'm talking about the 3 ways you could apply your blush on, if you haven't, please go and have a look. One of them is like applying it on the cheekbone. So with this angular brush, that motion can be done really well. The next one is my powder brush. So this one, I use this to like put all my compact on my face because I do not like using the sponge that is there underneath the compact or the pressing powder to like pack my face with a lot of powder, because I find the look is almost too cakey and patchy. So I use this one instead. You can just kind of take some powder and just put it wherever it is needed. So this is my powder brush. A smaller version of this brush is the blush on brush. I have 2 of the blush on brushes, and you can see they're like almost similar looking. It's just that I think this one is fanned out a little bit more and this is a little more dense. So I use both of these to apply my blush on, and it's just that at times I use like a pink blush on, I have like an orange blush on, or like I have a brown one too. So this is like I can use 2, so the colors don't mix up. So I have like 2 colors going on each brush separately. Okay, I haven't really talked about highlighting in my previous videos, but this fan brush is like an essential for highlighting. This is like you deposit the color onto this brush and you like almost in this motion you kind of slide it here. The application is so easy and smooth. I don't remember where I got this brush from, but it is called a fan brush, and you almost get it like in any with any makeup brand that sells brushes. It says fan brush. See? Okay, so this is like a must if you are a lot into highlighting and stuff. Also, To give you like a little tip on if you want to save the money, again, a fan brush is not essential if you're just getting started with makeup. Out of these two, you can just invest into one blush on brush. You do not need two. I do a lot of makeup, so I have like a variety of brushes, but you do not necessarily need all of them. The next one are my eyeshadow brushes. So I have two of these. If you see, one of them is like a more flatter one. This is used to pack color onto your eyes, and this one is used to this one. See, from the top you see this is more of a flat brush on the top, and this is more like sturdy. This one is like a blending brush. This is kind of more fanned out, and see this is like, see, it's like more fluffier and stuff, whereas this one is more sturdy. You can't really, you know, to be really honest with you, out of all the my glam makeup brushes, this is the one that I wasn't too impressed with, because it is not as sturdy as I'd want my packing brush to be. Like, you know, I want to pack my color with a brush that is like really sturdy and firm and like really flat. This is somewhere in between like the flat brush and the fluffy brush, but I mean, it does the job. I do have other makeup eyeshadow brushes too. This one is like a baby beauty blender. So these sponges are called beauty blenders, and I use this one to like make the under eye concealer look really even and smooth. I don't use a beauty blender on my entire face because I use the stippling brush instead. If you're just starting off with makeup and for a nice even look, I think you should just invest in either the beauty blender or the stippling brush. You do not have to have both of them because they almost do the same job, and I am a bigger fan of the stippling brush, but you can do whatever suits you. In fact, I'll be doing another video wherein I'll be showing you exactly how the beauty blender is used and how you can use it to like distribute the makeup and make it look really even on your face. Okay, so that's about it. These were the essential brushes that I have in my little box. I do have a lot of other brushes too, but the ones that I told you are like a few mandatory ones that you need to get started, and that's about it. You do not have to buy all the brushes out there. People normally, when they get started off with makeup, they're really confused as to which brush to buy and invest in. So I hope this little video gives you like a heads up and you are good to go. Keep coming back for more videos. Give a thumbs up if you like my video, and do subscribe to my channel. Keep coming back for more videos, and comment in the comment box below as to what other videos you'd want to see related to makeup and beauty and lifestyle and hairstyles and everything possible. All right, thank you, bye.